So this is the last topic of chapter 3 plant life of class 7 biology. Students, we were discussing differences. So you can see here in respiration the glucose is being utilized. It reacts with oxygen and it forms carbon dioxide, water and energy is released. In this case, what is happening? Glucose is being formed by the utilization of carbon dioxide, water and in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight. In this case, the chemical energy, which is glucose, is being converted into heat energy. And in this case, you can see the light energy is converted into chemical energy, that is glucose. In case of respiration, oxygen is absorbed and carbon dioxide is released. Here, the case is opposite, and in this case, CO2 is absorbed and oxygen is released. You can see fourth point, it takes place inside the body of human or animals in the presence of enzymes. So the process of respiration, it is being completed with the help of enzyme and it is taking place inside the body of human and animals. Here it takes place in green leaves only in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. So if there is lack of chlorophyll and there is absence of sunlight, the process of photosynthesis will not take place. Students, the fifth point is it takes place during day and night. So process of respiration is continuous. It continuously is taking place at the day as well as at the night. But photosynthesis, it takes place only during the daytime, because in the daytime you can see light is there and it does not take place at night. So student, this was your last topic of chapter 3, and for today your homework is you have to learn difference between respiration and photosynthesis, and you have to explain the working and structure of stomata. Thank you.